folks, I have a baritone to show you today, number 973. This instrument is basically a close copy of Nicole's instrument that she's currently playing. And the tone wood for the top, back, and sides is some local cherry from an orchard. So the orchard cherry is quite a bit different than like the eastern cherry hardwood we get at a lumber yard. It's a little softer. It's got this beautiful sapwood. It's kind of got a medium density that I think is suitable for top, back, and sides, which is a traditional way to make an ukulele. So I love the two different colors in the cherry, the beautiful figure going across it. And then up here we've got walnut. I was able to, of course, get that matched with the sapwood there. And this is a Texas ebony bridge, but it matches really well. Got walnut binding. We got a rope rosette. And the neck is some salvaged mahogany. This is I salvaged a beam from a furniture maker, and we've been cutting it up into necks. So you'll see it a little bit more this year. Yeah. So it's very lightweight. It's super resonant. It's got a very unique sound. I'm really enjoying playing it. Yeah, it feels great. So I have a fair bit of this cherry. I don't have a lot that's wide enough for baritones, but I have some that's small enough for smaller instruments too. I think I got like 2 more baritone sets. And it's local. This is just wood that would be normally chipped or burned. And Larry and I harvested it from an orchard and milled it and dried it, and here we are. So that's number 973, ready to go. Cheers.